Good afternoon, people. What's going on? This is dude Prince Rasheen for that good old AG money. Alright, I'm making this quick video for Facebook. Y'all gotta excuse me. I know y'all can't see me because I'm casting my screen, but I swear to God, this smoothie I just made, spirulina, wheatgrass, yeah, baby, got some little kelp powder. Anyway, so let's get into it. So I'm making this quick video just so I could tell you guys about this promotion that I've been doing. I just downloaded this app and I want to talk to you guys about it. So let me get to it real quick here. Alright, here is what I'm talking about, guys. This is Dosh. I haven't really had it too long. I haven't really been promoting it too long. I just pretty much got it because I had a whole bunch of other stuff that I was doing. I might have posted a link or two on Facebook. You guys might have seen that and whatnot. So this is it. I just wanted to talk to you guys about this so you can learn a little bit more and what the opportunity is for you by being just an ordinary shopper. All right. So this is the way Dosh works, right? Dosh is pretty much an instant cashback app. Now there's a lot of cashback apps out there, and if y'all see, now me, I'm out in the Charlotte area of North Carolina. So right now as I'm speaking, I'm just scrolling through all the places that you can get cashback in Charlotte. You know what I mean? And you just go to the link in this description. Go to the link on this description. You can download the app. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. But I just wanted to put people on. So what it does, pretty much, you get the app, you download it, you link one or all of your cards, whatever cards you have that you use on a regular, you link your cards to it. No, it doesn't take any money. No, there isn't any transaction fees. I know some of y'all about to ask that already. It's crazy how so many people in the world are so skeptical about things when they just don't even have the willpower to figure it out. Just do it. That's the only way you know, right? Alright, but no, it doesn't take any transaction fees. It doesn't slowly, take a penny out of your account. So you ain't got to worry about that. This is an official app or whatever. But you link your cards. You know what I mean? Now let's just see. I got my card linked here. This is my card. Now if I want to, I can add another and another and another and all the cards that I use. So no matter what card I use, except prepaid cards, you cannot, I repeat, use prepaid cards. It has to be a card. It has to be a bank card. You gotta use a bank card, or you gotta use an actual real live like credit card or debit card. And when I say real live debit card, I know that's a little slang or whatever, but what I'm really saying is that whatever card you're using, it has to have an ABA, or which is also called a routing number, and an account number. If your card doesn't have an account number and routing number, then it's not going to take it. You see what I'm saying? So you can't just go to the gas station, cop a card, and be like, boom, I'm going to add this on there. Nah, you got to have like something. It's got to be a real account, a card that you possibly get direct deposits to. But even then, it's kind of iffy. I know Green Dot doesn't work too much with this app. You know what I mean? So if you got a bank account, credit card, you fine. Don't worry about it. Just try your cards. And if it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. Not really trying to go into all of that. But boom. So once you link your card, right, like I just did, anytime I use this card here, this card that you see right there, anytime I use it and I shop anywhere, if I go to Chili's, you know what I mean, and I forget about it, I forgot that I even had Dosh. All right, let's just say I forgot I had Dosh. And I'm like, yo, let's go to Chili's. Yeah, that 2 for $22, baby. Let's get it. Have rack of ribs, Cajun chicken pasta. You know what it is. All right, so anyway. So I go to Chili's, boom. I use my card. As soon as I use the card, I pay for my food. That's good. But what happens is 7% of my total tab, drinks, all of that, goes right into this app. It goes right into here. You know what I mean? Right now, I got $5. You know what I'm saying? That's what I got right now. Like I said, it's new. I haven't really been doing too well. I have been using it, but not really like that. Not at some of the places here. You just never know where you're gonna get some cash back. It's like a little reward, a little treat for just doing what you normally do. You know what I mean? Sam's Club. Come on now. Who don't like Sam's Club? Oh, if you in Charlotte, you gotta love the Burrito Factory. Yo, this place is fish. I'm just saying. All right, I'm going off the rails here. You know what I mean? Let me take it back. All right, so you know what I mean? You get 7% off at Burrito Factory. Now there's Papa John's is all up and through here. You know what I mean? Bonchon, Off the Chains, Chubbs, Mattress Firm, Hallmark. Like, it's a whole bunch of places that you can go to. I don't even know what Lumiere. What in the world is Lumiere? I don't know what that means. I don't know if that's French, German, something. Lumiere. Sound French. Is it a light store or something? Is this what they, you know, like illuminate? Oh, it's a French kitchen. It's shining the spotlight. Haha, funny, but not funny. Lumiere. But alright, yeah. So you use it. You know what I mean? And it's linked to your card. And this is all the places that's local. And I'm still scrolling. You know what I'm saying? I'm still scrolling. That goes to show, like, no matter what city you in, you know what I mean? There's gonna be places. The Dirty Martini. That sounds interesting. Hey, Soul Central Cooking. 10% cash back. I like the mods. But I just wanted to put this on to you. Ooh, Queen Sheba. What? And hookah? And look, this is the crazy thing. I'm learning more about my city as I'm even doing this app. Alright. I'm just saying, yo. Link it. Hit the link in the description. Download the app, yo. Link your card. I mean, because if you don't do it, if you don't click the link right now, after you watch this video, if you ain't clicking the link, yo, then you don't like to save money. Who don't like to save money? I'm just saying. And then a good thing, wait a minute. Let me break it down to you right now. That's just nearby. Now bust it. We online with it right here now. So I'm saying, so we online with it. Bed Bath & Beyond online. Fitbit. I know all your little mommies out there with your Fitbits, getting your steps in. Ooh, see you. Yeah, get it, baby. You know what I mean? The Body Shop. I don't know what that means. I don't know. It sounds like something for car parts. Ray-Bans. You know, all that. Something. And car rentals. Like, look, this is just all online. Neiman Marcus. Oh, nah, that's way too, man. I ain't fucking with no damn Neiman Marcus. Lord and Savior. Alright. Well, I'm just saying, ooh, Under Armour, So I'm just saying, these are all the places, Jelly Belly, that you can get online cashback offers. I know you probably looking like 2.2, that ain't nothing. But if you shop at places, you know what I mean? If you shop, everybody shops, you get your money back. Oh snap. Yo, you want to learn something real quick? You want to go to Udemy? You know what I mean? This offer is from you to me. Well, from me to you. Me to you. You know what I mean? Alright, little funny joke. I'm going to try to stop all the little funniness, you know what I mean? Because I know some of y'all is like, he joked too much. Get him off the video. But yeah, this is all your online. Now that's just one thing. This is just how you get paid for doing what you're supposed to normally do. It's just cash back, people. Like, yo, like, it's not rocket science, man. It's not hard. Like, people be scared to save money. I don't understand it. Hey, whatever. More for me. But this is the next thing, right? Travel. Oh, you want to get that room? Look at that. I didn't do that. The app did it. $25 bonus for booking the first hotel. Baby. I don't want to do that right now. But look at that. Destinations. Rome, yeah. Sicily. Ooh, Boston, son. Tel Aviv. Ooh. Stop playing. But yeah, they got the good old hotel discounts, all that type of stuff. You know what I mean? I'm telling you. And then look, let's click this right here. What does this mean? I know y'all see it. Y'all getting to it. Y'all like, this is just a video to try to get us to get some money. But it's free. You getting money. Look, every time you invite somebody, right? You know what I mean? You get $5 for each friend you refer. It don't cost nobody nothing. You know what I mean? Like, for real, it don't cost you nothing. It don't cost me nothing. It'll never cost you anything. Like, people be scared of freebies, yo. But at the same time, telling there's a cookout, you know what I mean? They coming right over there. Or they'll come for those type of freebies. When it come to free money, they be like, what's the catch? What the fuck's going on? You know what I mean? Like, alright. But yeah, you get $5 per person that you refer. And also, bust this, right? Check this out. Now, this was going to really blow your mind. Now, this is for all my troopers that watch the video all the way to the end. And I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? I do appreciate that. If you watching this at this moment, if you are hearing my voice at this moment, and you see this on YouTube, because I'm going to post this on YouTube too, but it's going on Facebook first, because I don't really do too many Facebook videos, and I need to. But boom. If you hear my voice right now, smash that subscribe button. Just hit it. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe. You don't have to have the notifications on so you know when I'm doing all my videos. But just subscribe. I mean, come on, man. Like for like, follow for follow, love for love. You feel me? So boom. So now we already know right here that you refer anybody that you refer and say they like, yo, Rob, I like that, man. You know what I'm saying? I could use that because my girl be shopping all the freaking time, and is I like it. Can I get some of that money back? Boom, son, I got you right here. Just click the link in the description. It's gonna be a bit.ly link because I don't like to use these long links. It just looks disgusting. I don't like the way it looks. It's just So click that link, get the app. But nah, bust it. Now, this is the special treat that I was telling y'all. You already hit that? Did you hit that subscribe button yet? Did you hit that like button? Drop your comments. All right, so hit the 3 dots on the side. Once you download it, right? Now, you can cash out. Once you start building up your money or whatever, like I'm about to start doing, for real, because I shop online. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna front. You know what I mean? I'm really not gonna front. Some of y'all might have seen some of my videos where I be getting packages. Yeah, it's my weakness because I don't like going places. I'm like, just deliver it. You know what I mean? So boom, bank accounts. See right now, like oh, wait a minute, hey man. See now, I just started, so I can't really cash out right now. You gotta have at least $25 to cash out. You know what I mean? That's what it's gonna tell me in about. Yeah. Come on, man, yo, you making my video long. Okay, so it's not gonna do it. See, boom, there you go. You know what I mean? You gotta have $25. You feel me? Alright, got it. But you can go straight to your PayPal. Instant money, cha-ching. But you gotta have $25. Boom. Now, this is where you get that good money. This is the sweet spot. Wait a minute. Come on now, fingers. Sorry, y'all. I got big fingers. Or fingertips, whatever I don't know. Alright, so refer a business. This is what I'm gonna be doing. You see what I'm saying? This is how I'm gonna make money with this. Because yo, sign up a business and get cash bonuses. Get your favorite local business signed up with Dosh, and you can get 20% off their Dosh fees for the next, not 1, not 3, okay, anyway, but 2 years. Once they publish the offer, free enrollment for a limited time. Bang! So you refer to business, my dude. Well, my girl, and then you hit agree because I read all of this. You know what I mean? Once you get the app, you'll read all of that, right? So boom. So it's a place that I love around here. I'm not gonna say the name because y'all might steal it from me. Ha! See? All right. But anyway, you put the business name, right? You gotta have the business owner or manager's name. Now you can't just be like, yo, my best friend work at Shanika's Bumper Curl, and you know what I mean? You know, you can't just do that. You can't put your homegirl name when she's just a shampoo girl. You know what I'm saying? And she don't know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? She don't even own nothing. You gotta talk to Shanae's Bump. You know what I'm saying? You gotta talk to her. So you gotta get her name or his name of the business owner or the manager who can speak to, you know what I mean, the owner. You gotta have the business owner's email address. You gotta find out what type of business it is. Look, they got categories for everything. So don't think you just locked in the restaurants and all of that. Dry cleaning, electrical, electricians, fitness and diet, grocery market, boom, hair salon. Oh shit, ain't Ace Bumper Curl. You know what I'm saying? Out there in Detroit. I wish Martin was still on, man. Yo, if anybody, sidebar, if anybody knows where I can get a complete series DVD collection, maybe I'm just being lazy. I've looked and it's just, if you can find me the whole complete series collection of Martin from episode 1 to episode end, or whatever, the last one. Drop that link in the comments. Please tell me, help a brother out. You know what I'm saying? The same way I'm trying to help y'all out, right? So you put all the information in, y'all pretty much know what all this is. You know what I mean? And that's how you refer a business. Now you refer that business, they sign up, they like, yeah, Shanae, they like, yeah, we'll do that. Every time somebody uses their card at Shanae's shop, you know what I'm saying? To get their hair done, get their micros and Singali whatever twisters is, you know what I mean? Boom, you getting 20% of that for 2 years. Not just for one customer, but for all their customers. Yo, Like I always say, man, this AG, it's all good over here. I'm always talking about that all good money. You know what I mean? Don't leave nothing on the table. I don't know what y'all doing. Don't leave nothing on the table. Y'all be acting like y'all got it. Even if you do got it, get some more. Get some more. Anyway. But yeah, look, I just wanted to do this. Yo, the smoothie got me hyped up. It's got mad iron and vitamin A. That spirulina, yo. It smell like a foot. It smell like swamp. But it's good for you, and it's kind of tasty. Really, I wish y'all could see it. It's really green and thick. Alright, now I'm weirding myself out. Alright, anyway, look, once again, it's your dude, Prince Rasheen for AG Money. Smash that subscribe button. Drop your comments and your links for the Martin Full Series DVD. Y'all thought it was a game. I'm so serious. I need that in my life. Alright, click the link, man. Go ahead and download this and get that shmoney, baby.